Hi everyone, I just finished reading The Kingdom of Renly, Sea Monster, and wow, it was awesome! First, this book has a map, a real map. You can see exactly where Prince Lucas and his best friend Clara go on their adventure. It's like you're sailing with them. The best part is super easy to read. If you're starting chapter books, this one is perfect because it's not too long and the words are not too tricky. I could read it without feeling stuck. The story is about Prince Lucas and his best friend Clara trying to figure out the mystery of the scary sea monster that's making a big trouble in the Sea of Renly. But it's not just an adventure. It's also about courage, kindness, and friendship. Those are things we can use in real life too. Reading this book made me feel braver, and it reminded me having a good friend by your side makes everything feel easier. I'm lucky because my best friend is always with me. And together we are ready to fight the school monster. So if you love adventure, mystery, and friendship, you should totally read The Kingdom of Renly, Sea Monster. Bye-bye!